Today, I'll show you how to add a loan in Wave accounting. Managing your finances effectively is crucial for any business, and knowing how to accurately record loans is an essential skill. Whether you're using the funds for expansion or covering operational expenses, Wave accounting provides a straightforward way to keep your financial records up to date. Let's dive in and learn how to do this step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the appropriate section of your Wave account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu there. From this menu, you want to select Accounting and then click on Transactions. This will bring you to your Transactions ledger, which is where we'll be working today. Once you're on the Transactions ledger page, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll find the Add Transaction button there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Add Journal Entry. This is where we'll input the details of your loan. Now, it's time to enter the specifics. Start by entering the exact date that the funds arrived in your account. It's important to be precise here because accurate dates ensure your financial records are reliable. Next, you'll want to add a descriptive overview note. This could be something like Received Initial Loan Funds. This note will help you and anyone else reviewing your books understand what the transaction was for at a glance. The next step involves completing the double entry accounting matrix, which is essential for keeping your books balanced. You'll see a table where you can input this information. Begin with the first line. Under the account column, select the bank account where the loan money was deposited. This is considered an asset in your accounting records. In the debit column, enter the total loan amount. Debiting your bank account increases the asset value, which reflects the incoming funds. Moving on to the second line, under the account column, choose the loan liability account you set up when you initially recorded the loan. This account represents the obligation to repay the loan in the future. In the credit column, enter the same loan amount you input for the debit entry. Crediting the loan liability account increases the liabilities, showing that your business owes that amount. With these entries, you've effectively recorded the loan as both an asset and a liability, which is a key aspect of double entry accounting. This method ensures that the accounting equation assets equal liabilities plus equity remains balanced. Once you've double-checked that all the details are correct, it's time to save your work. Simply click the Save button, and your journal entry will be recorded in Wave Accounting. This action finalizes the transaction and ensures that your financial records are up to date. And there you have it. You've successfully added a loan in Wave Accounting. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your financial records accurately reflect your business's obligations and assets. Keeping precise records will help you make informed decisions and maintain a clear picture of your financial health. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring more features in Wave Accounting to further streamline your financial management. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great time managing your business finances.